Alright, well, another video for y'all to watch. Hopefully you learned something on there. For some reason I got my seatbelt on and that seatbelt light dinger keeps going off, and I've got it hooked up, but I'm not going to get into that. That's another new problem that just started. As you can see, I'm going down the road on there, but I got my speaker system up. It's not a particularly windy day. There is some wind blowing, but I want you to listen to this. It's like a cyclone in this car. Oh, by the way, the radio is dead today. That's another day. Today's Sunday, I believe the 14th, 2017, and the radio is completely dead on there. So just waiting for it to come back on. It'll pop on. I mean, an hour or 2 hours, it'll pop back on, or come on. I never turned it off. But anyway, I'll be quiet and let you listen to the wind. You can hear it. Just like a regular cyclone. Well, something new. Car just went dead on me. Isn't that crazy? I got no power whatsoever. And I got no signals either. She is dead as a doornail. What does that say? Transmission not in park. Select fee. You gotta be kidding me. Why would I put it in park when I'm driving down the road? There you go, folks. I got it in drive, and she just completely shut down on me. No power whatsoever. Put it back in park. See if it starts. There you go. She started. Well, something new to watch for. I got signals now, and it's running. Air conditioner's on, running fine. So, I mean, that's... Oh, she went hit it again. Dumb thing died on me again. Oh man, I hope I don't have to go through this all day. This is something I don't need. Saying the same thing, selected it in park. There's the door now. Oh, man. I'll get back to you folks. Hopefully I make it home. I'll let you know.